Isla, what are you doing?
I don't know.
Making what?
Making some noodles.
Some noodles, really? What's this on your head? What is this for?
My fire hat.
Your fire hat?
See.
You want to see? Well, you want to show Mima and Lola and Beepa and Uncle Star and Ryan and April and Angelotti and Melissa, Justin and Kathy and Banana. What you doing? What are you doing? And what about Lana? Would Lana like to see you cook?
Yeah.
Would Evo like to see you cook?
Yeah. Hi, Eva. I'm cooking.
You're cooking? Really? What are you cooking? Soup? What kind of soup?
Soup ball.
Soup broth?
No, soup core.
Soup core?
Not some soup?
No, it's very hot.
Oh, it's too hot.
Turn off.
Can Alana have some soup?
No.
No? How about Mima?
No.
How about Angelotti?
Yes.
Yes?
She can have some.
How about baby Amana?
Yes, she does.
No soup for the adults. Looks like we're all going hungry. Is that really hot?
No.
Are you sure? You want to say goodbye, everybody? Can we say goodbye?
Bye-bye.
Time to eat some soup.
Come eat some soup for you, banana.
There's our chef. She makes good soup.